हेलो बच्चे, कैसे हो? तो आज मैं तुम्हारा ये फोनिक क्लास शुरू कर रही हूँ और उसमें लेसन है अपना जस्ट मी। ओके, पिछले टाइम अपन ने 2-3 लेसन्स पढ़ा और अभी ये लेसन कंटिन्यू कर रही हूँ, तो ध्यान से सुनो। जस्ट मी। ओके, जस्ट मी मीन्स मेरे जैसा, मेरे जैसा। J sounds J, U sounds S sounds S, T sounds T. J, S, T. Just. Okay? Just means बिल्कुल. Me बता मेरे जैसा. Okay? M-E, me. Just me. Okay? 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. E sounds A, I sounds E, G sounds G, H sounds H, T sounds T. A, T. 8. 8. P-I-P, N-K. P-I-N, pin. K. K sounds K. P sounds P. I-N, in. Pink. 8 pink fingers. F-I-N, fin. G-E-R-S, girls. 8 pink fingers standing up tall. Okay? Understood? 8, P-I-G-H-T, 8, P-I-N-K, pink, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Okay? F-I-N, fing, G-E-R-S, girls. Stand, S-T-A-N-D, stand, I-N-G, ing. 8 pink fingers standing up tall. U-P, up, T-A-L-L, tall. T sounds T, A, double L, tall. Means 8 fingers. These 8 fingers, they are standing up tall. 2 little ears to hear mommy call. Okay? T, W-O, 2. T sounds T, W-O, 2. L-I, little. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. 8 pink fingers standing up tall. 2 little ears. E-A-R-S, ears. Okay? 2 little ears. Ears means अपने कान. 2. कान कितने रहते हैं? 2. 2 little ears. 2. T-O, 2. H-E-A-R, here. H-E-A-R, here. Mom, M-U-M, mom. Me, M-Y, me. Mommy, call. C-A-L-L, call. Okay? 2 little ears to hear mommy call. Call means जब मम्मी अपने को बुलाती है तो अपन किससे सुनते हैं? अपने कान से सुनते हैं. Okay? 8 pink fingers standing up tall. 2 little ears to hear mommy call. Understood? Next, 1 little nose. Nose means not. 1 little nose that I can blow. Nose से क्या करते अपन? Blow करते. 1 little nose. O-N-E, 1. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. N-O-No, S-E-S. Nose. 1 little nose. T-H-A-T, that. I-C-A-N, can. B-L-O-W, blow. Okay? Blow means sneeze करना. 1 little nose. O-N-E, 1. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. N-O-S-E, nose. T-H-A-T, that. I-C-A-N, can. B-L-O-W, blow. Okay? Then 10. T-E-N, 10. T sounds T, E-N-N. 10. 10 pink toes. P-I-N-K, pink. T-O, toe. T-O-E, toe. Toes. Toes means अपने पाँव के उंगलियां. 10 little toes all in a row. Row means एक लाइन में. All, A-L, all, A-double-L, all, I-N in, R-O-W, row. R sounds R, O sounds O, W sounds W. Row. Okay? Once again, I'll say, one little nose that I can blow. 10 pink toes all in a row. Okay? From starting, I'll say 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8, P-I-N-K, pink, F-I-N, fing, G-E-R-S, gers, fingers. Standing, S-T-A-N-D, stand, I-N-G, ing. 8 pink fingers standing, U-P, up, T-A-double-L, tall. Standing up, tall. 2 little ears, to hear, H-E-A-R, hear, mummy call. 1 little nose that I can blow. 10 pink toes all in a row. Okay? Next, T-W-O, 2. T sounds T, W-O-U, 2. L-I-T-T-L, little. Thumbs. Thumbs means angute. T-H-U-M-B-S, thumbs. Thumbs, this is thumb. How many thumbs we have? We have 2 thumbs. 2 little thumbs. T-H-U-M, thumb. B-S, bus. Thumbs. 2 little thumbs. That, T-H-A-T, that. Wiggle. W-I-G-G-W-I-double-G-L-E, wiggle. W-I-V-G-L-E, girl. Wiggle up and down. Wiggle means it will go up and down. It will do dancing like that. 2 little thumbs that wiggle up and down. U-P, up, A-N-D, and, D-O-W-N, down. Down means नीचे. Up means ऊपर. थम क्या करता है? ऊपर नीचे थम wiggle करता है. डांस के जैसा करता है. It goes up and down. 2 little feet to stamp on the ground. Feet कितने हैं अपने? 2 feet है. Feet means पाँव. 2 little thumbs that wiggle up and down. 2 little feet to stamp on the ground. Feet. 2 little feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. S-F-W-E. Feet. T sounds T. Feet. 2. T-O-2. Stamp. Stamp means kundalna. Stamp. S-T, stir. A-M-P, amp. Feet means fire. 2 little feet to stamp. S-T-A, stamp. O-N, on. T-H-E, the. G-R-O-N-D, ground. G-R-O, ground. N-D, end. Ground. G-R-O-U, ground. Okay? Hands. H-A-N, hands. H-A, her, hands. H sounds her. A-N-D-S, hands. 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 T-O-2. C-L-A-P, clap. C-L-A, C-L, clap. A-P, app. Clap. Okay? C-L-A-P, clap. Clap means tali bajana. Okay? Hands means hath. 2 little hands. 2 little thumbs that wiggle up and down. 2 little feet to stamp on the ground. Okay. Sorry to interruption. Stamp on the ground. Hands to clap and eyes to see. Hands, with hands, what we'll do? We'll clap. And eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. E sounds A, Y-E-S-S. E, eyes. To see. What fun it is to be just me. Hands to clap and eyes to see. Okay? See means we are seeing. Dekhna. Hands to clap and eyes to see. What fun it is to be just me. Okay? W-H-A-T, what? W sounds were, H-A-T, had. What? F-U-N, fun. Fun means maja. Gammat. What fun it, I-T, it, I-S is, T-O-2, B-E-B. What fun it is to be just me. J sounds J, U-S-T, ust. Just, M-E, me. Okay? Understood? Hands to clap and eyes to see. What fun it is to be just me. I'll repeat. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8, P-I-N-K, pink, 8 pink fingers, F-I-N, fing, G-E-R-S, girls, 8 pink fingers, standing up tall, standing up tall, T-A-L-L, tall, 2 little ears to hear mummy call, 1 little nose that I can blow, 10 pink toes all in a row. Row means line say. 2 little thumbs that wiggle up and down. 2 little thumbs that wiggle up and down. 2 little feet to stamp on the ground. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Hands, H-A-N-D-S, hands to clap, C-L-A-P, clap. And eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes, T-O-2, S-E-E-C, hands to clap and eyes to see. What fun it is to be just me. Okay? Next lesson, I have wheels. Wheels means paiye. Okay? I sounds I, H, H sounds her, A-V-E, have. W sounds ver, H sounds her, double E, L, S, heels. W-H-E-E, W-H, double E, L, S, wheels. Wheels means पहिए, गाड़ी के पहिए. I have 2 wheels. I like them. They go round and round. So, okay, I sounds I, HAVE, have. TWO2, WH, double ELS, wheels. WH, double EV, LS, else. I have two wheels. बताओ मेरे पास दो पहिए हैं. किसके पहिए हैं? गाड़ी के पहिए हैं. I like them. I like them. Like. I like THEM, them. Them. बताओ मुझे बहुत वो अच्छे लगते हैं. क्यों अच्छे लगते हैं? They, THEY, they go. G sounds G, O sounds O. Go, they go round. ROUND, round. Round and round. AND and ROUND, round. Round means वो गोल गोल फिरता. क्या फिरता? Wheels. Okay. Next. Golu has two wheels. I have four wheels. I love them. Now, कौन है? गोलू का फ्रेंड के पास चार व्हील है. गोलू, दिस इज गोलू. गोलू हैज टू व्हील्स. G sounds G, O sounds O, L-U, lu. G-O, go, L-U, lu. Golu. H sounds H, A-S-S. Golu has, H-A-S has, T-W-O-2. Golu has two wheels. But I have four wheels. I have FOUR, four. F sounds fur, OUR, earth. Four wheels. WHEELS, wheels. I LOVE, love. LO, love. VE, ver. I love them. THEM, them. Okay? Love बोलो मुझे बहुत व्हील से बहुत प्यार है. So I have two wheels. I like them. They go round and round. Golu has two wheels. I have four wheels. I love them. Next. Golu's wheels are big. How are Golu's wheels? They are big. Big means bada. G-O, go, L-U, lu, s. Golu's wheels are A-R-E-R, B-I-G, big. B-I-B, G sounds G, big. Golu's wheels are big. Okay? Molu's wheels are small. Okay? Who is Molu? Molu is the friend of Golu. Okay? Mo, M-O, Mo, L-U, lu, s. Mo, loose. Molu's wheels are A-R-E-R, S sounds S, M-A-L-L, M-A-L-L, mall. Small. Okay? Molu's wheels are small. Okay? Golu's wheels are big. Molu's wheels are small. Imagine they have wheels. I have legs. I walk with them. I love them. Okay, I'll repeat. गोलू's wheels are big. गोलू के व्हील कैसे हैं? बड़े हैं. मोलू's wheels are small. मोलू के व्हील कैसे हैं? छोटे हैं. Imagine they have wheels. बोले तो अपन सोचना है कि imagine बोलो सोचना. Imagine they have wheels. उनके पास पहिए हैं. They have wheels. But I have legs. मेरे पास क्या है? Legs है. I have legs. मेरे legs मेरे wheels है. I have 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 LEGS legs. Legs means पैर. I walk with them. अपन legs से क्या करते हैं? Walk करते हैं. कैसे करते हैं? Legs से क्या करते हैं? Walk करते हैं. Walk means चलना. I walk. W sounds B. W A W K. L K L K. Walk. With W I sounds B. Th. With. I walk with them. WITH with THEM them. Them means मैं पैरों से चलती हूँ. I love them. I LOVE love THEM them. Okay, I'll repeat. Golu's wheels are big. Molu's wheels are small. Imagine. EMAMGIGNENE. Imagine. Okay, we should blend the words properly and make a sound. I sounds EMAMGIGNENE. Imagine. Imagine they have have they the a. They imagine they have wheels. W sounds word HEELS heels. So we will blend the word wheels. I have legs. I have legs. G sounds G, S sounds S. Legs. Okay. I walk with them. I love them. Okay. I'll repeat. I have wheels. I have 2 wheels. I like them. They go round and round. Golu has 2 wheels. I have 4 wheels. Molu. I love them. Golu wheels are big. Molu's wheels are small. Imagine they have wheels. I have legs. Who have Ravi? Ravi have legs. I walk with them. I love them. Okay. Now, next lesson. Now, here, this is a Sachin. Okay. Now, who is he? in this picture is Sachin. Who is Sachin? He is a cricketer. Cricketer means bat ball जो खेलते हैं. He is a cricketer. He plays cricket. He makes many runs. So I'll write now. Who is he? There are different pictures, and this they are explaining this in this lesson. He is Sachin. He is a cricketer. He plays cricket. He makes many runs. Now I'll explain how to sound. H sounds H, E sounds E. H, E, E. I sounds A, E, S. Is. E is S is Sir. C H I N chin. He Sachin. He is Sachin. Who is Sachin? Here he is Sachin. H he, I S is a. Now this is a big word, so we have to blend this big word. C-R-I K tar. Okay. C K K K-E, C-K-E-K, K-T-E-R, tar. So, बच्चे, we should not do mistake in blending the words. और डरने का नहीं. We should be nicely blend. C-R-I, K-C-K-E-K, T-E-R, tar. Cricketer means जो बैट बॉल खेलते हैं और जो इंडिया को जिताते हैं. वो सचिन अपने इंडिया के टीम को बहुत मदद करा, बहुत जीता है, इंडिया के लिए बहुत खेला वो. He is a cricketer. What he does? He P-L-A-Y-S P sounds per, L-A-Y-S plays. He plays C-R-I cricket. K-E-T ket. Cricket. Okay. He plays cricket. He H-E M-A-M-K-E-S makes. M-A-K-E-S makes तो वो बनाता है. क्या बनाता है? Runs. M-A-M-N-Y-N-E. He makes many runs. R-U-N-S, runs. R-U-N, run. S sounds runs. So, who is Sachin? He's a cricketer. He plays cricket. He makes many runs. Understood? Now next. Now, who is she? Who, W-H-O, who, I-S is, S-H-E, she. She means, कौन है वो? एक लड़की का पिक्चर है. वो लड़की कौन है? वो मदर है. किसकी मदर है वो? चाइल्ड की. तो who is she? Now in this picture they are explaining the mother. He is telling she is my mother. Okay. S sounds sure. S as sure. E. She is. M-Y, my. M-O, mo. T-H-E-R, dar. Mother. Okay. She is my mother. Saying us, she is my mother. Okay. Who is she? She is a teacher. S-H-E, she. I-S is a T-E-A-T. C-H-E-R, chur. She is a teacher. Okay. What is her mother? His mother? She is a teacher. Teacher means adhyapak. You know who is teacher? She is a teacher. Teacher, उसकी मम्मी टीचर थी या टीचर है. What does she do? वो क्या करती है? What does she do? W-H-A-T. What? What? वो तो क्या? Does. D-O-E-S. Does. वो तो वो क्या करती है? She do. S-H-E. She. D-O do. वो क्या करती है? W-H-A-T. What? D-O-E-S. Does. S-H-E. She. D-O do. She tells. She teaches children. She teaches children. वो क्या करती है? बच्चों को पढ़ाती है. She means mother. She, T-A-T-C-H-E-S, chess. Now this is chur. This is chess. Here teacher. This is teachers. Teachers वो तो पढ़ाना. So she teaches children. C-H-I-L, chill, D-R-E-N, run. Children. Children means बच्चे लोग. So what does she do? She teaches children. Okay. Children like her. बच्चे क्या करते हैं? टीचर को बहुत लाइक करते हैं, बहुत प्यार करते हैं, बहुत रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं. सो वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट द टीचर्स, क्योंकि टीचर्स अपने को पढ़ाते हैं. सो वंस अगेन आई विल रिपीट. शी, हु इज शी? शी इज माय मदर. शी इज अ टीचर. T-E-A-T-C-H-E-R, chur. She is a teacher. W-H-A-T, what? Does, D-O-E-S, does she do? What does she do? She teaches children. She, T-E-A-T, chess. T-C-H-E-S, chess. C-H-I-L-D, chill. C-H-I-L, chill. D-R-E-N, run. She teaches children. Children, C-H-I-L-D, C-H-I-L, chill, run. D-R-E-N, run. Children like her. L-I, like her. Children who likes, कौन children को like करता है? Children किसको like करते हैं? Mother को. किसके mother को? वो बच्चे के mother को. So who is she? She is my mother. She is a teacher. What does she do? She teaches children. Children likes her. So बच्चे कभी भी वर्ड्स को ब्लेंड करो और पढ़ो, बहुत इजी लगेगा तुमको. Now next topic. Now another in this picture. She is, who is she? She is a pilot. Okay. Now I'll explain this. Who is she? She is Miss Rani. What is she? She is a pilot. Pilot means हवाई जहाज जो एरोप्लेन जो चलाता है उसको पायलट बोलते हैं. What does she do? She flies aeroplanes. Please show me your plane. Miss Rani. Okay, now I'll repeat. Who is she? WHO, who, IST, SHE, she. She is Miss, she, 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 IS is, MISS, Miss. Miss, will respect the lady with the introduction, Miss. She is Miss Rani. She is Miss Archana. Vagara vagara. She is Miss Gopi. She is Miss MISS, Miss RANEENEE, Rani. She is Miss Rani. What? WHAT, what? IS is SHE, she. So, who is Miss Rani? She is a pilot. SHE, she. IS is a PIPLOT, lot. Pilot. Pilot. She is a pilot. Okay. What does DOES, does SHE, she, DO do? What does she do? वो क्या करती है? She flies. SHE, she. FLI, fly. Us. ESS, flies. Flies means वो उड़ाना, फ्लाई किसको? एरोप्लेन्स को. वो एरोप्लेन को उड़ाती है. वो एरोप्लेन की जैसे कार के ड्राइवर रहते हैं वैसे एरोप्लेन के पायलट ड्राइवर रहते हैं. ओके. शी फ्लाइज एरोप्लेन्स. ओके. Here, this is a big word. So, we should divide the words a, ro, ro, pla, pla, nes, nus. Aeroplanes. Understood? She flies aeroplanes. Okay? So, now children are saying, please show me. Please, PLEP, PLEA, please, please, please means they are requesting. Who? Miss Rani. Please, what they are requesting? To show her plane. Please show. SHO. Show. Please show. Me. YOUR, your. PLANE, plane. Plane, plane. MISS, Miss. RA, NEE. Please show me your plane, Miss Rani. So, once again, I will repeat. Who is she? She is Miss. M-I-S-S Miss. R-A-N-E-E Rani. Okay. What is she? She is a pilot. Pilot. She is a pilot. What does she do? She flies. F-L-I. Fly. E-S-S. Flies. A-E. R-O. Row. P-L-A-N. Plan. Us. Aeroplanes. A-E. R-O. Row. P-L-A. Play. N-E-S. Nus. Aeroplanes. So now children are saying, please show me your plane, Miss Rani. Okay. Now in this picture, who is he? In this picture, who is he? He is a shopkeeper. So now we'll make the how to read. Who is he? Okay. He is Mr. Verma. तो बच्चे जैसे अपन लेडीज को मिस बोलते हैं, वैसे अपन जेंट्स को यानी बॉयज को या जो भी अंकल्स वगैरह रहते हैं उनको मिस्टर बोलते हैं. ओके. विल नॉट टेल डायरेक्टली वर्मा. वी आर टेलिंग मिस्टर वर्मा. वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट. मिस्टर मीन्स वी आर गिविंग रिस्पेक्ट टू हिम. तो who is he? He is M-R. Mr. Dot A. Mr. V-E-R. Var. M-A-M-A. Verma. So what is his name? Verma. Who is he? He is a shopkeeper. शॉपकीपर मीन्स जो दुकान पे बैठ के उस थिंग्स को बेचता है. एस हैप्पी शॉप. K-E-E-P-E-R पर जो दुकान पे बैठता है और माल को बेचता है. तो ही इज अ शॉपकीपर. हु इज अ शॉपकीपर? मिस्टर वर्मा इज अ शॉपकीपर. ओके. What he keeps? He keeps many things in the shop. H-E-K-W-E. P sounds per, S sounds sir. Keeps. Keeps. M-A-M-N-Y-N-E. He keeps many P-H things. T-S-G, sir. Things. Things बोले तो सामान. He keeps means रखना. He keeps many means बहुत. He keeps many things. Where he keeps? In the shop. Shop means दुकान. S-H-O-P shop. S-H sounds sh or p. Shop. Okay. I like his shop. Let's buy some sweets from his shop. Let's buy some sweets from his shop. So I-L-I-K-E, like, H-I-S, his shop, S-H-O-P, shop. वो तो मुझे उसकी दुकान बहुत अच्छी लगती है. वो क्या करता है? वो दुकान से बहुत सारे, वो किसकी दुकान थी? स्वीट की दुकान थी, मिठाई की दुकान थी. लेट्स, L-E-T-S, लेट्स, ले, L-E, ले, T-S, टस, लेट्स, B-U-Y, buy, B sounds B, I, buy, S-O, so, M, some तो थोड़ा सा. S-W-E-E-S-W-E-E-T-S, sweets, S-W, sw, eats, sweets, sweets means मिठाई. Let's buy some sweets. F-R-O, from, H-I-S, his shop, S-H-O-P, shop. Okay, I'll repeat. Who is he? He is Mr. Verma. V-E-R, Ver, M-A-M. What is his name? Mr. Verma. इसका नाम है Mr. Verma, shopkeeper का. He is a shop, S-H-O-P, shop, K-E-E, key, P-E-R, per, shopkeeper. जो शॉप पे बैठ के शॉप को संभालता है उसको बोलते हैं शॉपकीपर. He keeps many things. वो क्या रखता है? He keeps many things. Things means सामान. In the shop. I like his shop. मुझे उसकी शॉप बहुत पसंद है. Let's buy some sweets from his shop. Let's buy some sweets from his shop. Okay? तो बच्चे, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग माय लैंग्वेज? मेरा तरीका सिखाने का कैसा लग रहा है? आप अपने प्रिंसिपल को बोल के मुझे बताना कि तुमको समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. ओके? Now we'll go for next lesson. Now this is page 40. See, here, look at the picture and answer the questions using in the box. What is on the tree? What is on the tree? W-H-A-T, what? I-S is, O-N, on, T-H-E, the, T-R-E-E, tree. T sounds stir, R-E-E, re, tree. Tree means झाड़. Okay? So answer is cat is on the tree. This is question. This is answer. So what is on the tree? A sounds a, C-A-T, cat, at, cat, I-S is O-N, on, T-H-E, the, T-R-E-E, tree. So who is on the tree? A cat is on the tree. Next question. What does the boy have? W-H-A-T, what? T-O-E-S, does. The, T-H-E, the. B sounds B, O-Y, or. Boy have. तो boy के पास क्या है? The boy has answer. A teddy bear. Teddy bear. Okay. What does the boy have? The boy has a teddy bear. T-D, double D-Y, D. Teddy bear. The boy has a teddy bear. Now, next question. Who is on the swing? Swing means jhula. W sounds W, H-O, who. Who is on the swing? S-W, swa, I-N-G, ing. Swing. Who is on the swing? So, answer is a girl is on the swing. Okay? Who is on the swing? A girl is on the swing. A G-I-R-L, girl. G-I-R, girl. L, girl is on the swing. S-W, swa, I-N-G, ing. तो झूले पे कौन है? इधर देखो पिक्चर में लड़के के पास टेडी बेयर है और लड़की स्विंग कर रही है और झाड़ के ट्री के ऊपर कैट है. So a girl is on the swing. Okay. Next question. Who is the lady near the pram? Pram means छोटी बग्गी गाड़ी. Okay. WHO, who is the lady? L-A-D-Y-T, lady. N-E-R. Who is the lady near the P-R-A-M? Pram. Pram means छोटी बग्गी गाड़ी. Okay. So answer is the baby's mother is near the pram. Okay. So who is the lady near the pram? The baby, B-Y-E-S, bees. Babies. Babies means छोटी बच्ची की mother. M-O-M-O-T-H-E-R, the baby's mother is near the pram. Okay. I'll repeat. This is question and answers. Okay. What is on the tree? The tree. T sounds T, R-E-E, What is on the tree? Here, a cat. This is the fill in the blanks. This is the answer. A cat is on the tree. Okay. What does the boy have? What? W-H-A-T. What? D-O-E-S. Does the boy have? The boy has a teddy bear. Boy के पास क्या है? तो इधर teddy bear is the answer. We are asking, what does the boy have? Here, the boy has a teddy bear. T-E-double-D-Y. T-E D-double-D-Y. D, teddy bear. B-E-A-R, bear. Now, again question. Who is on the swing? S-W, sw, I-N-G, ing. Who is on the swing? A girl. This is the answer. A girl is on the swing. Girl, girl. Girl means ladki. A girl is on the swing. Next question. Who is the lady near the pram? Okay. वो pram के पास वो lady कौन है? तो the baby's mother. Now this is the answer. The baby's mother. The baby's mother. Mother means mummy. Baby बताओ वो छोटी बच्ची की मम्मी. किधर थी वो? Near the pram. Pram means छोटी गाड़ी. Okay. Now shall I repeat? What is on the tree? A cat is on the tree. What does the boy have? The boy has a teddy bear. Who is on the swing? A girl is on the swing. Who is the lady near the pram? The baby's mother is near the pram. Okay, बच्चे, समझ में आया क्या तुमको? खूब मन लगा के पढ़ना और अच्छे बच्चे बनना, अच्छे किताबें पढ़ना और खूब कुछ समझ में नहीं आए तो मुझे प्लीज फोन करके पूछना. ओके, थैंक यू. एंड माय नंबर इज 9881265365. Okay, I'll repeat. 9881265365. Okay. Jai Hind. Namaste.